Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to AWS Organizations, beginner guide step by step clearly.
Once logged in, navigate to the AWS Organizations service.
You can find it by typing Organizations in the search bar at the top of the console.
Click on the AWS Organizations option from the search results. If this is your first time using AWS Organizations, you will see an introduction screen. Proceed by clicking on Get Started to initiate the setup process.
You will be prompted to create an organization if one does not already exist. Select the option to create a new organization.
Determine your organization's features based on your requirements.
You can choose between all features or consolidated billing only. After making your choice, click the Create Organization button.
Your organization will now be created, and you will be directed to the organization's dashboard. From the dashboard, you can invite existing AWS accounts to join your organization. Locate and click on the Accounts tab on the left sidebar. Then, click on the Invite Account button. You will need to enter the email address associated with the AWS account you wish to invite. Optionally, include a custom message for the invitation.
Once you have entered the details, click the Send Invitation button.
The invited account will receive an email to accept the invitation. After acceptance, the account will be part of your organization. You can also create new accounts directly from your organization.
Return to the Accounts tab and click on the Create Account button.
Fill in the required information, including account name and email address. Once completed, click on the Create button. After creating the account, you will receive a confirmation message. You can manage and organize your accounts using organizational units, or OUs. To create an OU, navigate to the Organizational Units section.
Click the Create Organizational Unit button.
Name your OU and choose the parent OU if applicable.
Click the Create button to finalize the new OU.
You can then move accounts into this OU as needed.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.